Okay, start.
Okay, this is a science project that me and my grandpa did with this kit. And this is a motor, how to make a motor. And how it works is, first there's the chemicals inside the battery, and then the chemicals, they flow through the wire, and then they come up here to the paper clip, and then it goes inside the coil. And that's what makes it sound like a motor, and it spins all the way around. And the project, it tells about how it works, which is inside here, inside the book, how the motor works. And me and my grandpa did this project, but well, we had to keep on trying it so it could keep on spinning and not stopping. So
what did you do to keep it spinning?
We had to put the wire inside, and then we had to spin it. And then it started to spin like in circles.
We had trouble with the balance at first, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
And when I take this off, it stops.
Yeah.
Did you have fun doing this?
Yes. And when I put this back on, it starts to do it again.
There it goes. Good
Very
job.
good.
Good job.